Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could go on to making up to $1,000 each and every single week just by using CPA marketing and the content locking strategy. So make sure you do watch this video right here and actually do learn this strategy. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I basically create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online with other AI tools right there. So you could just simply come onto my channel. If you do like such kinds of videos, you could just simply smash the subscribe button and make sure your notification bell is turned on all, so that I could alert you whenever I release much more amazing videos that could help you make extra income online. And guys, you could just simply go on to checking out the videos on my channel that can actually do help you boost your income with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and other AI tools. With that being said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So guys, first of all, you want to head onto this subreddit right here, which is called the Video Game Deals Canada. And if you do head onto this platform right here, guys, you can just keep on scrolling and you'll be able to see what this community is all about. That this is actually the best gaming deals for Canadians. Nintendo, the PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, the PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and PC games right here. You can actually get them from this platform. And we're going to be using this platform right here as a form of leverage, because if you just simply keep on scrolling through, you can see a lot of content on this platform right here based on this particular subreddit name, as it's actually deals for video games from Canada for the Canadian demographic. You can see right now that this person right here actually posted a game right here, which is a weekly game sales which was about 3 days ago. This person posted this about 3 days ago, and you can see the regular price of you getting this particular Atari Flashback Classic, which is about $50 right here. But guys, the sale price which they're actually selling this to you right now is about $30, so you do have a discount of $20 right now. So guys, you can then just simply go on to using that to promote this offer right now. If you do just simply use this right here, there will be actually more numerous offers below this right here, but I'm just going to go on to click in the first one right now. If I do click on this, it's actually going to take me to that particular page where I could go on to purchasing this particular product. As you can see right here, there are numerous gaming offers right here for the various prices, but I'm just going to use this first one right now. So as you can see guys, I'm being brought to this page right here where I can just simply go on to purchasing this particular Atari Flashback Classic game, and you can see the price right here, also $30 right now. You can just simply go on to purchasing it via this section right here. But guys, we're going to just simply use this particular page to drive traffic to our CPA marketing offer. And guys, you can actually go onto this platform called the trends.google.com to actually go on to checking out if that particular game is trending. And guys, this is not actually a necessary procedure which you could use right here to promote this particular offer, but I just want to do this right now. If I do go on to trending right now, and I'm just going to come right here to this search section and actually type in the name of that particular game right here, which is the Atari Flashback Classic. I'm just going to copy that. If I copy that right here, head back to trends.google.com, paste that in this section and click on enter. So what you want to do right now is to make sure that this particular country location is on the United States. So guys, you can see right here that this is actually the search right here for this particular product in the United States right now. And you can see right here that as of this date right here, which is August 5th, this particular topic trend was actually going high, but right now it's actually going low a little bit right now. But you can actually still go on to promoting this, as when it does goes higher, or when people are searching for that, you can actually get more sales to that right here, or more traffic to that. So what you want to do right now is that you want to just simply log this particular link to this page right here in the content locker, and you can just simply use any platform of your choice. You could use the Cpagrip or the OGRs, the Max Bounty, or any other CPA marketing platform out there that do have the content locking capabilities. And if I do log into my Cpagrip account, I'm just going to go onto the monetization tools, and I'm just going to use the URL file locker right here for Cpagrip. But if you're using other platforms out there, you want to just simply use the content locker. But right now guys, I'm just going to go on to clicking on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of services, and click on continue. And if I do that right here, I can begin to create my URL file locker. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to come right here, copy the link address to this particular page. If I do copy that, head back to the Cpagrip and do go on to pasting that in this locked URL section. I could then just simply go onto the templates and select a specific template which I want to use right now. I could desire to use the human verification template right now, and I could then just simply go onto general to edit this right now. So right now guys, I just want to give in this content locker a name, and once I'm done creating this, I'm just going to go on to clicking on save right here, and my content locker or URL file locker will be created. I could just simply click on get link, and here's my link to my URL file locker, which I could just simply copy and go on to promoting this particular content locker. And guys, what you want to do right now is to just simply go on to creating a landing page using any landing page creator site of your choice. You could use the Breezy Cloud, you could use the Systemy.io, the Warrior Plus, even the site.google.com to actually go on to creating an amazing landing page. And guys, if you are finding it difficult creating a landing page, you can just simply head on to my channel right here. I've created lots and lots of videos on how you can actually go on to creating a landing page either with the Systemy.io, the site.google.com, the Breezy Cloud, or other landing page creator sites out there. So make sure you do actually use those videos right there on my channel to actually go on to teaching you or learning how to create a landing page right now. And once you actually create a landing page guys, you can then just simply go on to promoting that particular CPA content locker, and you want to make sure that that locker is actually linked to your landing page right there. You link your content locker to your landing page and go on to promoting that landing page. And how do you do that guys? You could actually follow any one of this strategy. The first right here will be to head on to Fiverr, and if you do head on to Fiverr, you want to just simply go on to searching for the video ad gigs. And if I do go on to searching for the video ads right now, and guys, right here on Fiverr, you can see that a lot of people are actually offering this gig right here, which is the video ad gigs. You can see right now that about 14,000 people are offering this gig on Fiverr. You could just simply go on to purchasing a particular gig right here that is actually cheap. Maybe if you don't want to spend too much money, you could just simply come right here, go onto the budget section, and actually go on to filtering this particular gig based on your budget right here. You could just simply go on to putting in the maximum budget right here, maybe about $20 if you do want to put that in right here. And I just simply go on to clicking on apply. I will be showing gigs that are actually below that particular amount, which is $20. You can see right here this gig is for about $19, this one $20, and $10 right here. This is $10 also, and you can see a lot more people or a lot more gigs right here, which you could just simply go on to purchasing for a cheap price right now. You could just simply purchase this gig right here, and these people are actually going to help you create a promotional video which you can actually use to promote that particular landing page right there, or that particular product which you intend on promoting right now, which is this Atari Flashback Classic game. And you can just simply use that to promote that particular product on all social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and any other social media platforms out there. You should be able to get traffic to that and actually to this game right here, because once you're getting traffic to this game, you're indirectly getting traffic to your CPA content locker, because they actually have to pass through your content locker before getting to this page. And for them to do that, they actually have to complete a CPA marketing offer, which you do earn some affiliate commission for them doing so before they do gain access to this section. So if you do that right now, you can start making money with this particular platform. Another strategy which you could do is to go simply head on to this platform right here called canva.com and actually go on to creating your own promotional video. And if you do head on to Canva, just simply go on to searching for the YouTube video ads. And if you search for that right now guys, you'll be able to see. So right now guys, you can see that there are a lot of video ads templates right here which you could go on to editing to actually go on to creating a promotional video, and you can then just simply go on to promoting that on YouTube right here. You could also go on to maybe getting one of these people's videos right here about this particular game on YouTube, and if you do ask them for permission right there to actually use that video for a YouTube ad or for an ad right there, then once they do give you permission, you can then just simply go on to using that right now. And guys, in promoting your videos on YouTube, you want to make sure that in uploading that particular video, you do tell them that the link to that particular product is in the description of that video right there, and you also want to make sure that that link is in the description of the video, and you just want to put in your content locker link right there. It's also promoting this particular product right now, and you can actually do start making money using this strategy. And guys, this is an amazing strategy that can actually start getting you hundreds and thousands of leads. to your CPA marketing offers, and you can actually start making money using this right now. So guys, it's not necessary that you must promote this exact same game right now. You could just simply go on to promoting what is actually trending right now. You could use the trends.google.com to actually check out what is trending right now, get a content about what is trending right now, and go on to promoting that right here using your content blocking strategy and start making money with CPA marketing. And I do hope this video did help you. If yes, simply just go on to liking this particular video. Also subscribe to this channel and make sure notification bells are turned on all. Also guys, thank you for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.